Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Z Fold 6 is updated and multi-window is enabled. This avoids odd behavior. Open the first app you want to use, then swipe up to Recent or tap the app pair icon when available. Once done, drag the second app to the screen's split handle. You'll see a divider appear. Make sure to choose apps optimized for large screens for smoother performance and position the hinge so the display is stable. This prepares you to arrange panes precisely. Once the split is active, drag the center divider to resize each pane and judge layout for your task. You can double-tap the divider to make both windows equal. That's faster than manual adjustment. If you need one app temporarily larger, tap the app icon in the title bar and select pop-up or full screen, then revert when finished. You can also introduce a third app as a floating window for quick reference, making multitasking fluid without losing your main split layout. To complete your session, save the configuration using App Pair or add it to the Edge panel so you can reopen the exact layout instantly. Close floating windows with the X and slide the divider to return an app to full screen when done. If you experience lag or crashes, reboot the device first, then disable background apps, free up RAM, and check for system or app updates. If problems persist, test each app individually to identify incompatibilities and adjust expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.